Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, with you.
Yes, teacher, yes.
So what is this example, Shabab? Somebody gonna explain to us?
It's a converter, teacher.
It is converter. It is which type of converter, Shabab?
PI converter.
Pneumatic to
Line.
electrical.
Very good. It is pneumatic to current converter.
Current.
Very good, Shabab. So this is our converter, P to I converter. It is taking electrical signal, a pneumatic signal actually. It is taking pneumatic signal and it is giving electrical signal. Right, Shabab? This is pneumatic signal. This is electrical signal. Okay. Right now, the pneumatic signal is 7 psi. We need to find the electrical signal here. X. We need to find X. Right now, signal is how much? 7 psi, Shabab. We need to find the X. So, what is our procedure? We draw the two lines. Remember, Shabab? 3 to 15 psi, 4 to 20 milliampere. How much psi we have? 7 psi we have, and we need to find the milliampere. Shabab, find it. Show me. Get the first. Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying. Somebody trying, Shabab? Yes, brothers. With me?
Yes, teacher, I will try.
With you,
Yeah, please
teacher.
try.
8
Solve it.
milliampere,
Show me.
teacher.
Get the first. And you
8
guys know the
milliampere.
first is very heavy bonus marks. Inshallah.
8 milliampere.
Huh?
8
Show me
milliampere.
the solution. Not like this. Brother, show me the solution. On your camera, show me your solution.
I don't have a solution. I don't have steps.
No, it is not this way. You need to show the complete steps. Any other brother is trying, Shabab?
I will work the way in the chart.
Yeah, Shabab. Some brother is trying.
Yes, I'm trying.
That's good. That's good. Abdullah, brother Abdullah Al-Mutari is saying he's trying, mashallah. Okay, that's good. Yeah, Shabab. Who needs first?
Teacher, I finish.
That's good. Please show me.
1 minute. You can see, teacher.
No, not yet.
Not yet. There is a problem in camera. Now you see.
Yes. 6.66
There.
milliampere.
I think
Show
this is my
move a
answer.
little. Move little. Your page move. Move towards the camera. Let me see the procedure. You are writing x minus 4 over 20 minus 4 and 7 minus 3, 15 minus 3. So you are saying 7 minus 3 multiplied by 20 minus 4. 6.66. Your procedure is correct. But I don't know your answer is correct or not. What is your ID, brother? Tell me your ID.
The last digit, last 3 digit, teacher.
Yes, yes, please.
15391
15.
90
No,
158.
last three
The
digits.
last
Just tell
three
me
digits.
last three digits.
158. Hussein.
158. Okay. Okay,
Hussein.
inshallah.
Teacher,
That's good. Brother Ali
I
is
get the
also
answer.
showing.
It is minus 24. Teacher,
Yes.
it is minus 24. The answer.
Answer?
Yes.
No, no, it cannot be
X.
minus. Or it can be minus.
Is it 9.33?
Let me solve it, Shabab. Let me solve it. See here, Shabab. We need to find what? X. Right? So x minus, from where we are starting? 4. So x minus 4. Right? X minus 4 over, what is maximum? 20. 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4. Shabab with me? Okay, what is in front of x? 7. 7 psi. What is in front of this 4? 3. Shabab with me? What is in front of 20? 15. What is in front of 4? 3. Yes, Shabab, how much is this? 7 minus 3, how much? 4. 15 minus 3, 12. How much is this? X minus 4 over 16 is equal to 4 by 12. Right, Shabab? So this 16 we can take the other side. So we remove from here, we take it here like this. So it is 16 by 3. How much 16 by 3? How much? Very good. This brother is showing the solution. 9.33. Lot of brother they are saying 9.33. So how much is this, Shabab? If we
أنا
cancel it,
كاس تمام.
5.3 approximately, 5.33. X minus 4. So x is equal to 5.33 plus 4 how much? 9.33. What is the unit? Milliampere. So 9.33 milliampere. Very good, brothers. Very good. Lot of brothers, mashallah, they are showing. Very good. You are making my blood more circulate. Circulation is heavy, mashallah. I am very happy that the brothers are doing it very good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Very nice. Lot of brothers, they showed me the result and it is very good, very impressive. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab, any question up to here?
No, clear, thank you.
That's good. Can we find the percentage of this, Shabab? Can we find percentage for the 7 psi? Yes. We can make another line here, 0 to 100%, and say we need to find the y. Right, Shabab?
58, teacher. Jabir,
How much?
58.
That's good. If you are finding it, that's good. Let us see the procedure. So now we need to find the y, right? So y minus 0 over 100 minus 0 is equal to What is in front of y? 7. 7 minus 0 over what is in front of 100? 15. 15 minus 0. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, why it is 0, teacher? I think it is 3.
Sorry?
The minimum.
Sorry,
The
Shabab, what
minimum
you
is
said?
5.
Yes, brother, what you said?
Teacher, the minimum of the pressure, teacher. I think it is 3, not 0.
No, it is 3. I know it is 3. But we can start, we can take any, this is if you are taking the standard signal, no problem. You can take standard signal. If we are not taking the standard signal, we can take any given signal. You get my point? This is the given signal. You want to make it 3, okay, we can make it 3, no problem. But the given signal can be anything. You got my point?
Yes, teacher, clear now.
The given signal can be anything. We're going to solve another problem with given signal opposite. You get my point? So if you want to keep L3, no problem. Keep L3. Keep L3, no problem. Right?
Teacher, it is 33.31.
3.31? 33.33 can be. Some brothers are
Yes,
saying
33.
33.33, but 33 cannot possible, you know. So how much is this, Shabab? Y over 100 is equal to how much? 4 over 12. Right, Shabab? So 1 by 3. So y is equal to 100 by 3. That is 33.33%. Shabab with me? Good,
Yes,
good. Abdullah Turki is showing the answer. Ali Ahmed is showing the answer. A lot of brothers are showing the answer, mashallah. Any question up to here, Shabab? Very good, very good. Once again, Shabab, if no signal is given, then we will take the standard signal. Right, Shabab? If standard signal, no signal is given, we take the standard signal. If some signal is given, we have to take that. Then we cannot say our own signal. Shabab with me? Then we cannot say our own signal. For example, if it is normally open, it can be like this. If it is opposite, then what will happen? We say 0 is here, 0 is here, and 100 is there. Now what is y? Yes, Shabab. Now how much is y? If we make it opposite, how much percentage now?
Will be in minus.
No, it cannot be minus. It is between 100 and 0. How it can be minus? Yes, Shabab. No, how much? No, not same. Some brother is saying 67. Yes, 66.67. Very good. Very good. Okay, now see the solution. How we solve it, Shabab? We need to find this y, right? Y minus 100. Like this. Over 0 minus 100. Right, Shabab? Is equal to what is in front of y? 7. 7 minus 3 over 15 minus 3.
Got the
Right,
face.
Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, yes.
Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers saying yes. Okay, now we solve it. So y minus 100 over minus 100 is equal to how much? How much is this? 4 over 12. Right? Shabab with me? Okay, 4 over 12 mean what? 1 by 3. So it is minus 100 over 3. So we remove this 100 from here and take the other side. 100 over 3, how much, Bob? Y minus 100 is equal to, how much is this? 33.3. Is that correct? 33.33, right? Right, Subha? So y is equal to 100. This will go there, right, Subha? And this is because of this minus, it is minus. So 100, this 100, move there, 100 minus 33.33. How much, Shabab? 100 minus 33.33. How much, Shabab?
66.67.
66.
66.66%. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No, thank you.
So, one thing, if the standard signal is given, take the standard signal. If the standard signal is not given, then whichever signal is given, take that one. So if we see in our examples, we go have a lot of examples like that. There the standard signal is not given, then some other signal is given, we take that. If no signal is given, then we take the standard signal. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here?
It's clear, teacher.
Yes, Shabab, you guys remember this tank? Rooftop tank? Shabab, remember this tank? That's good. The brother are saying yes. So it is calibrated like 30 millimeter and 130 millimeter. So at 30 millimeter it has 4 milliampere and at 130 millimeter it has 20 milliampere. Right, Shabab? So we need to find the value at 100 millimeter. How much is the current? We need to find that. So same way, we will draw two-line method. Two lines here. So this is 30 millimeter, 130 millimeter. In front of 30 millimeter, how much milliampere? 4 milliampere. And in front of 130 millimeter, 20 milliampere. And right now, we are at 100 millimeter. How much X? And what is the percentage? 0 to 100%. How much is the percentage Y? Find X and Y, Shabab. Get the first. Find X and Y both. Get the first. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
That's good. Yes, Shabab. Give me the complete solution. Get the first. Any brother trying? $15.2. Lot of brothers, they are sending the answer 15.2. They are not writing their units. Without units, not good. Put the units. Now see here, x, we need to find the x. So x minus 4 over 20 minus 4 is equal to, what is in front of x? 100. 100 minus 30 over 130 minus 30. Right, Shabab? Is it correct? Is it correct up to here, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes,
Yes.
correct, teacher. Correct.
That's good. So it is how much? 70 over 100. Right, Shabab? Or 7 by 10. So x minus 4 is equal to 7 into, how much is this? 16. So this 16 we will take there and remove from here. This is 16, Shabab. So it will be 11.2. Is it correct, Shabab? So x is how much? 11.2 plus 4 how much? 15.2 milliampere. Is it correct, Shabab? Up to here it is correct?
Yes.
Anybody has different answer? That's good. So everybody has the same answer. Okay, now we're gonna put for the y. How much percentage is this? Y minus, can we take this value to find the y, or we should take this value, the given one? Which one is better, Shabab?
Value, teacher.
We have this
Both
value.
are correct.
Which one is better to take, the given one or this found one?
Second value,
First
teacher.
one. Lot of brothers are saying first one. Yeah, this one is better. Maybe this is wrong. So if you take this value, the second point also wrong. So always take the given value. Very good. Lot of brothers they are saying given. Very good. So y minus how much about 0 over 100 minus 0 is equal to, what is in front of y? 100 minus 30 over 130 minus 30. Same this one. That will be equal to 7 by 10. Right, Shabab? So y over 100 is equal to 7 by 10. This 0 will cancel with this one. Y is equal to 70%. Is this answer, Shabab? Everybody get this answer? That's good. Lot of brothers they are showing me 70%. Very good, brother. Very good. Very good. Very good, mashallah. So this is our answer, Shabab. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question
Oh,
up
it's
to
clear,
here?
teacher.
And once again, Shabab, if no standard signal, no reference is given, always take standard signal. If some reference is given, some signal is given, then take that one. So the last thing for the today, if we make it opposite, if we make here 100 and we make here 0, now how it will work, Shabab? Now what would be the y?
30.
30%, very good. So 70 we already found, subtract it, it will be 30. Very good, Shabab, very good.
will be the
Very nice. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask me. Yes, Shabab, any question up to here, please ask. Yes, Shabab, please ask the question. Shabab with me? Yes, brothers, you are with me?
Yes,
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 yes.
sir.
Yes, teacher.
That's
audio.
good. So, do you guys have any question? Some
For
brother
me,
has
it's
any
clear,
question?
teacher.
Okay, Shabab. Inshallah, coming week we will continue from here. We will solve more problems. All the solved examples we will solve, right? And then we will start the next chapter, inshallah. So, if any brother has any question, you can send me the mail, right? You can send me the mail. You can ask me in the lab. We will keep the distance, and you can ask me any question, no problem. So if you have any question, you can send me the mail. We can do the meeting like this on Blackboard or on Zoom. So whichever way you like. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Shabab. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.